Welcome back to HealthGlow. Today, we're diving into an important topic: the best foods for a fatty liver. Whether you're looking to improve your liver health or just want to make healthier choices, this video is for you. Let's get started. Before we jump into the foods, let's quickly understand what fatty liver is. Fatty liver disease occurs when too much fat builds up in liver cells. There are two main types: alcoholic fatty liver disease and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is more common and is often linked to obesity, insulin resistance, and other metabolic issues. The good news is that making dietary changes can significantly improve liver health. 1. Leafy greens. First on our list are leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and lettuce are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They help reduce overall fat levels in the body, including the liver. Try adding a handful of spinach to your morning smoothie or enjoying a fresh kale salad for lunch. Leafy greens are not only great for your liver but also support overall health. So make sure to incorporate them into your meals regularly. 2. Fatty fish. Next up, we have fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and fat accumulation in the liver. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week. Not only are fatty fish delicious, but they also offer numerous health benefits. Try grilling, baking, or pan-searing them for a healthy and tasty meal. 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are excellent sources of healthy fats and fiber. They help improve liver function and reduce inflammation. A small handful of nuts or a tablespoon of seeds can make a big difference. Add nuts and seeds to your salads, smoothies, or yogurt for a crunchy and nutritious boost. 4. Olive oil. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, is another great addition to a liver-friendly diet. It contains healthy fats that can help reduce liver fat and improve insulin sensitivity. Use it as a dressing for salads or for cooking your favorite dishes. Just a small amount of olive oil can go a long way in supporting your liver health. Plus, it adds a wonderful flavor to your meals. 5. Whole grains. Whole grains, such as quinoa, brown rice, and oats, are rich in fiber and essential nutrients. They help maintain stable blood sugar levels and support liver health. Swap out refined grains for whole grains in your diet. Start your day with a hearty bowl of oatmeal or enjoy a quinoa salad for lunch. Whole grains are versatile and delicious. 6. Berries. Berries, including blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants and fiber. They help protect the liver from damage and improve overall liver function. Enjoy them as a snack or add them to your breakfast. Berries are a sweet and nutritious way to support your liver. Blend them into smoothies, sprinkle them over cereal, or enjoy them fresh. 7. Green tea. Green tea is known for its numerous health benefits, including its positive effects on liver health. It contains antioxidants that help reduce liver fat and inflammation. Try drinking a cup or two of green tea daily. Green tea is a soothing and healthy beverage choice. Make it a part of your daily routine for its liver-friendly benefits. These are some of the best foods you can include in your diet to support liver health and manage fatty liver disease. Remember, making small changes to your diet can lead to significant improvements over time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to HealthGlow, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest health tips. See you in the next video.